Welcome back. So this is Word Puzzles review sheet. We are doing the odds. If you are looking for help on number 3, you've come to the right video. So we're going to take a look at number 3. Reviewing the directions again, this is asking us to write a system of equations to solve each problem. We're asked to show our work on a separate page and then to write our answer on this page. Make sure that you use correct units if it's appropriate in the answer. So going back, let's take a look at number 3. Okay, so number 3 asks us, it says, the senior classes at High School A and High School B planned separate trips to New York City. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 1 van and 6 buses, with 372 students. High School B rented and filled 4 vans and 12 buses with 780 students. If each van and each bus carried the same number of students, how many students did each type of vehicle carry? Now, the first thing that I'm going to take a look at is the question itself. And this is going to say, how is that question word? So, how many students did each type of the vehicle carry? So, this is telling me the unknown pieces are how many students in each vehicle. So, X will be the number of students in the van, and Y will make as the number of students that were in the bus. And again, there's multiple vans and buses depending on which high school we're talking about. Since we have information for each high school, essentially we're going to write an equation based on High School A and another equation based on High School B. So our equation based on High School A is telling us, and I'm going to go back and find that information of where it's talking about High School A. So we're right here. So High School A rented and filled 1 van and 6 buses. So 1 van I can write down as, and let me slow that down, I'll back up one more time. So 1 van we can talk about as X. And 6 buses we can say as 6Y. And knowing that those types of vehicles carried 372 students in all. And that's just for High School A. So again, working with 1 van gives us that X. 6 buses is where we get the 6Y. And our total number of students is what we have indicated here. And that's for High School A. Now let's do an equation for High School B. So let's get rid of the highlighting there and take a look at the information we have for High School B. High School B rented and filled 4 vans and 12 buses with 780 students. So 4 vans can be represented with 4X, and 12 buses can be represented with 12Y, and the students' total is 780. Now, taking a look at this, I'm writing this information on a separate sheet of paper. So let's go ahead and make sure that we've done that. So again, this is on separate paper. And we have our 2 equations, so this is our system. And we're going to solve for what X is and what Y is. And essentially we're solving for the number of students in each vehicle, so the number of students that are in the van and the number of students that are in each bus. Here you can go ahead and use Y equals, you would probably not want to graph, so you can go through and solve using substitution and or elimination. It's your choice. Make sure that you write your solution on the original sheet of paper. Thanks for tuning in, and come back and see number 5 if you are in need of additional help.